So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to download historical data in your Yahoo Finance. So basically, first, historical data is only available with Yahoo Finance with a gold subscription. So basically, you can view historical price, dividend, and split data for the most codes on your Yahoo Finance, but if you have a gold subscription, you may download historical data as well in CSV file, which is it can be used to be offline, and you can basically open it with Excel, Microsoft Excel, or even in Google Sheets, because the CSV file can be converted into an Microsoft Excel or even on a Google Sheet. So if the data is being requested beyond the range of historical prices, all of the available data within the range is already displayed, which is historical prices usually don't go back other than 1970s. So if you need more steps or detailed steps, you could just go to the help.yahoo.com and search for download historical data in Yahoo Finance. So in this video, I won't be able to show you since I am not in a gold subscription and I do not use Yahoo. So if this doesn't help you, you may contact their support, which is the 24/7 support, and get in the live phone support from the Yahoo company.